we'd like to showcase our premium product which we have developed for this industry is the dock leveler. The product that we have been delivering is trying to resolve the customer's operational problems. We have provided a dock leveler which comes with the bottom frame, which comes with the top frame, and there's a different push button for all the different applications. It is suitable to meet your warehousing requirement. It comes with a different carrying capacity, 6 ton, 10 ton, 15 ton, and it can be customized according to your applications, according to your pet size. My name is Rehman Momin, Managing Director of Newgentech Material Handling India. We have been catering to all the industries, majorly capturing e-commerce industry, automobile industry, manufacturing industries, defense systems. We have been catering to all the categories in India, and basically the product that we have developed and the product we are delivering is resolving the problem for the loading and the unloading of the products or the equipments from the containers or from the trucks basically. I'd like to invite you all for the LogiMAT 2026 India exhibition at hall number 4, booth number B02.